Welcome to October week 3 gold recap. We'll go over all the gold moves that happen and the high quality moves. There are 3, and we'll go into detail. So what happened? We were above 1874 dailies level, right? And price kept making intraday levels right here, right? Came back down last Friday and then rejected it, right? So we had strong demand at this level. And then during the week, before the week last week, price created a level here, right? 4 hour zone. You can see the 4-hour wicks here, and then kept creating higher lows, as you can see, right? Higher lows being formed. So we also had a valid level up here as well, and we'll go into detail. So we have a 4-hour price action here, right? This demand level keeps getting rejected. Plus, we're above this strong liquid area. And then on what we see on October 19th, this price tap here, go up, create a higher low, create a higher low. So essentially what was happening was price was accumulating, right? And we talked about accumulation several times before. In this case, let me just move this out. And as you can see, we have our accumulation box here, right? Price isn't able to break above this, so it's just accumulating between these 2 higher time frame levels, generating liquidity and order flow to push up. Once we did break past this level right here, this zone here, price retested during the London session and then pushed up to daily high and daily resistance from October 9th. Okay, and October 9th, October 12th, that area, okay? This is a very high probability trade as we just broke out of accumulation, creating higher lows. So we knew that price was going to continue up. And then within, once you entered here, stop loss here should have manually managed because gold does pull back. We got several rejections, 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 rejections. Got 3 rejections here, so 1 here, right? And then this would have been the most optimal entry for buy, stop loss right below inside the accumulation box, and then TP at the next level, 1930.5, 150 pips, right? And then what we saw was we pulled up to daily high, right? So we know that daily resistance price is going to break. Even if it's going to break, it's not going to break right away. So we got a tap of it, and we got a large rejection, right? A large rejection, initial rejection after tapping into that, and then price created a lower high. So this lower high confirmed that we were actually indeed rejecting 1930.5, and the price is going to continue down to the next key level, which is this area, right? This 1-hour price action, price structure. So on the 1-hour chart, right, you see how this was an important market structure, right? Let's remove the accumulation box. We got that, and then so after tapping into 1930.5, structure shifted, right? Structure started printing lower highs now and lower lows. So most optimal entry for sells would have been here. Stop loss above this higher low, sorry, that high, and then take profit down here, which is another 150 pips, right? So you see how whenever we react to a strong level, like here we broke and retested it, here we rejected as resistance, came back down to this level. That price does nice moves on gold when it reacts to these levels. So just wait for those trades. And then, so what we saw now was on 4-hour, price did a rejected daily resistance and came down. Okay, just like before, when daily resistance rejected, pulled up, create a lower high, and then continue down. So continue downward back to this level. So what we could have expected was create a lower high, and if the lower high was complete, that would make our probability of pushing down higher, and then we push down back to this demand area, same thing. So let's see. So we tapped after we made this low, we tapped into this level, right? Pushed up, created a lower high, and then created a new low, retested, and then continued down further. Right? Where do we continue down? Back to this area, this daily demand, 4-hour demand level, okay? And then you can narrow it down to this wick, and we tapped exactly into that. Most recent price action, right? So look where it retraced up to, okay? Draw this here. Look where it retraced up to. Retraced up to this 30-minute FTR area, right? So we knew that that was the next minor level, so price was likely to come up there. Price pushed up, created that high after rejecting it, created a lower high, and then continued down with New York volume, got a little bit of consolidation, and then further continuation to our zone down there. So this was very nice sells too. And if we look on the 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, it is very clean. You see price pull up to that level, right? Starts rejecting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, right? And then lower high on 5 minutes. So see market structure shifted. And once it shifted, it started going down. Right? And once it started going down, price broke. Once price broke past this low, it just continued down, created a lower high, and then continued down, created a new low right over here. So very nice moves at higher time frame levels, right? And so if you ever see price after rejecting a daily zone, or like rejecting a level, it's gonna pull back to a nice minor structure like here, create a lower high, and then create a new low, right? Because we're playing daily ranges, right? Even last time when we were rejected 1930, price pushed down here. Well, same thing, rejected 1930, price pushed down same area. Okay, so for gold, best entry here would have been like around here, or even at the lower high. Let's say that. And let's see, took it to lower high, 22 for stop loss, and then DP like, and then 150 pips, 200 pips. Well, say 220 pips here, 150, 150, 300, 520 pips on gold within 3 setups, so in 3 trades, and these are high quality trades, right? And then the price pushed back up, so level to level action. Price came down, rejected it, moved up to this previous higher time frame level, right? And then rejected that, and price pushed back down. So you can see that it's very clean setups, right? And how sell reversals happen at these higher time frame levels, right? Or continuation once we break above it and continue, then reverse from here, retest, create a lower high, continue down, reverse, go up to the next level, and then reject this, go down here. So it's very clean price action play. Over 520 pips on gold for the 3rd week of October,